Are you looking for a way to boost your earning and make money online? Look no further than Canva. This powerful platform is not just for creating beautiful visuals and graphics, it can also be a source of income. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the power of Canva and make $1,200 a week with this income strategy. Whether you're a designer or non-designer, or you're just looking for a side hustle, these tips will help you maximize your earning potential on Canva in addition to Fiverr. So let us dive in and start making money. First thing you need to do, you need to go to the Canva website and sign up if you are new to it. But if you're not new to it, you need to log in. Secondly, you need to go to the Fiverr platform and sign up as a seller. Now, Fiverr is a website that connects freelancers to clients. The third thing you need to do is to find a niche. What do I mean by finding a niche? To find a niche is that you need to choose a particular service that you'll be rendering to clients. Now, for the sake of this video, I am going to be choosing social media manager. Now, you need to create your gig. When you create your gig, I need you to consider pricing. It must not be too low and it must not be too high. I want you to stay in the middle. Now, if you have higher price, you will get few customers and higher profit. If you have lower price, you get higher customers and lower profit. But when you stay in the middle, you get the two, you get balance, better customers and better profit. Yes, about the Fiverr levels. Now, when you just created your Fiverr account, you are a new customer, you are a new seller on Fiverr, so you'll be in the new seller stage. Now, as this new seller stage, when people search for gigs, like topics in your gigs, you now show in the first, second, and third page because of you are new and nobody has patronized you. So you'll be at the first level, which is new seller. Then when you graduate, when you upgrade, you're going to upgrade to the level 1. The level 1, you can be around the 4th page, but when you move to level 2, you can be around the 3rd page. Now, when you move from level 2, you will move to the top seller, top rated seller, which means when people search your niche, you can show in the 1st and 2nd page. Yes, I want you to consider rating. I want you to consider rating as trust. Now, this rating will showcase trust to your customers, will make your clients trust you that you can deliver what they need, you can deliver high quality content. Now, I know you are new to Fiverr and you cannot sell anything, you cannot sell to anybody. What I need you to do is to go out, reach out to your friends and ask them to rate you on Fiverr, to give you 5-star ratings, 3 stars, just to make customers trust you. After this last step you're going to take, I'm going to share with you some things you need to do to get more clients faster. Now, the last step is to promote your gig on social media. You can promote it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, anywhere, just to reach out to people to see your gig and patronize you. I told you I'm going to share with you things to do to get more clients faster. Now, the first thing I need you to do is to sign up to other platforms, other freelancing platforms like Upwork, Clearwork, and so. So from that, you can have more viability, like more discoverability, so that people can discover you from every part. So you'll not just be earning from Fiverr alone. Now, the second thing I want you to do is to create Facebook ads. Yeah, Facebook ad is so cheap, you can just create it so that to promote your gigs out to people so that they can see it. The next thing I want you to do is to go to a site called Clearwork. Clearwork is a similar app to Fiverr, but with lesser price. So I need to set up a gig. When you set up a gig, when clients come to purchase your gig, you take out of it and go to Clearwork, pay to the freelancers here and get content from it, high quality content with lower price, give it to the customer. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.